Right here, baby. Look, say hi. Hey, guys. Hey. Hey love, welcome and welcome back. Yes honey, welcome and welcome back. For those of you who are new to the channel, it is a pleasure to have you guys here with me today. I am Candy Dreams and I enjoy teaching and inspiring you guys to step outside of that comfort zone, honey, and to do what you were born to do. Be great, of course. So if you are ready to learn more about how I can help you to achieve greatness, then go ahead, hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get into it, boo. All right, thank you so much for the love. And I am so excited to be sharing with you guys some really cool opportunities that you can take advantage of right now. I have lots of surprises in this video, so trust me, this is one that you're going to want to watch all the way to the end. So in case you don't know, this is the particular time of the year where a lot of investors, a lot of businesses, and a lot of people who are into making money online call Q4. In the Q4 season is basically where businesses explode. When I say explode, I'm talking about the coins. I'm talking about all the money that can be made during this particular time. I don't say this in a selfish manner. I say this in a manner for you guys to understand that you too can be a part of this. Right now is a perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and get started on your dreams and goals and to take advantage of the time that we have ahead. We've done enough with the procrastination. You already know we are no longer inside the comfort zones. We're stepping outside those boxes and we're making it do what it do. Today I'm going to share with you a very lucrative idea or a lucrative moment that you can hop on board. You see this shirt that I have on? And it's not really a shirt. It's more of a sweatshirt, should I say. But it's giving everything it's supposed to give. It's giving fall, it is giving Halloween, it's giving spooky, it's giving scary, it's giving so many creatives all at the same time, and it's even giving a little bit of spice. Okay, yes, the leopard inside of there is giving it that alternative look where you could dress this up or you could dress this down. But anyway, we're not here to discuss the beauty of this particular design. What I wanted you to get out of this is the fact that this design here, believe it or not, is worth over $1 million. This design here is a part of that booming industry. Fall and Halloween will always be seasons to win in. This is a $10 billion industry, guys. Yes, a $10 billion industry. I've told you guys before in this video about one way that you can get involved. Not only did I give you one video, I gave you 2 videos. And this is a video on number 3, okay? I am so serious about this particular business model because I know it really works. You could have started your business last year, but no, just in case if you didn't get started or if for whatever reason something was just holding you back, I am here to remind you that there's still time, there's still opportunity. Not only that, I want to show you guys exactly how easy it is to even get started. And I know some of you guys are thinking to yourselves, or you're like, well, I don't know how to design, or I don't know exactly how to create these ideas. I don't know exactly how to put my website together, and I definitely don't have the funds to put into an actual machine right now. Well, listen, that's okay, boo, because where there's a will, there's a way, right? I told you I got some secrets for you today. Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to help one of you guys to start your journey. Consider this just a little token of appreciation for all of the love that you guys continue to share with me, even on the days that I have been lacking, okay? This is why I've been lacking, because I'm so busy over here doing other things and trying to, you know, be great on my end so that I can come back and be greater for you guys. So with that being said, I am going to be giving one of you guys a heat press machine. Yes, I'm giving away a heat press machine. Why? Because I'm ready for us all to win, okay? Like, we all can do this. And I know some of us just need a little bit of help. Of course, I'm always willing to help in any way that I can. However, I cannot take credit for that all alone. Let me not forget who allows me the opportunity to be able to do the things that I'm able to do. And that is the Heavenly Father. So thank you, Heavenly Father, for allowing me to be able to help others. Not only that, I also have to give gratitude and appreciation to my sponsor. Today's sponsor is going to be Zone Market. Yes, Zone Market. Let's give a round of applause, okay, for helping us to start businesses out here, okay? We believe in you guys. Zone Market and I have partnered up to come up with this really creative idea where we want to give back. So we only have one heat press machine that we will be giving away, but there's still an opportunity or a chance for you to get your hands on your very own heat press if you just so happen to not be the winner. They're also generous enough to provide you guys with a coupon code. This coupon code is 15% off. The price of the machine has already been lowered to your expectations, and it is extremely affordable, and with the 15% off coupon, it's even more affordable. You already know I teach you guys how to save your money so that you can invest in yourself. This is a very small investment, and don't let me go reaching in your pockets because I don't know exactly what you do with your coins and how you spend it, but I'm here to let you know that you need to start investing in yourself. Now, with that being said, just in case you were wondering exactly what all will be included inside of your box, so you'll get this handy manual. Of course, you get the heat press machine itself. There it is. So nice. Also included are your hat press machines, or the mini machines that you will utilize for pressing hats. You also have your mug printer. Yes, honey, you can print mugs. There's so many things that you can do with this machine. Each one of the attachments comes with a handy little cord that you can attach here. Okay, let's turn her on. This is just your up button to turn your heat up, or should you need, you could turn the heat down. Setup allows you to put in a set time. Okay, now keep in mind that I've been doing this for quite some time, so it's nothing for me to just eyeball how or where I want my t-shirt to be. However, they do make this really cool little ruler that you can use to place up top to help you align. You can actually press right on top of this sheet, so you don't have to have one of these cover sheets necessarily. However, I do recommend that you get one for other purposes in case if you ever need it. So what you'll do is put your transfer sheet face side up, and we have our heat press set for 325 at 15 seconds. Read your rules and you work your machine based off of those directions. One thing you want to keep in mind is to make sure that you have your adjuster all the way down so that you can have enough pressure to apply. Alright, so now that we're done printing it, what we're going to do is let this sit, because our directions call for this to be a cool peel. So we will let it sit and let it cool down. So now that it's cooled off, what you want to do is peel it back really slowly, so that way you can ensure that you get everything on here as it is intended to be, okay? And you don't want to mess up your design. Now that we have everything peeled off, we are ready to place it back up under the heat press machine, and we're going to give it one more press, and this time we're going to use our handy dandy heat protector, and we're going to just slide that right over the design, leave the temperature exactly where it's at, and press it again for another 15 seconds. Okay, this is just to press it down and make sure everything is in place. Always remember to set your timer, okay? Alright, turn your timer off, and there you have it, sweetheart. You have your perfectly pressed at-home t-shirt. Like I was stating earlier, these particular designs for fall and Halloween fall into a multitude of categories of where you can decide on exactly what you want to do when it comes to starting. You can do fall designs, you can do Halloween designs, or you can combine them together and come up with some really unique and cool ideas. And again, don't worry if you do not have the creative aspect, or if you lack creativity to actually make this happen for yourself. I'm going to give you all of the resources and tools that you need. This particular design is a design that I purchased myself. This is direct to garment prints. Direct to garment prints are prints that are already made out, so this design was completely made for me when I purchased it, and all I had to do was press it onto my sweatshirt that I already had. Or if you don't know where to purchase blank shirts, I will provide you with those details as well. Not only is it a good idea for you to press up these particular designs at home, it is also a really good idea for you to just sell the designs themselves. Yes, you can sell just the design itself, and you can do that in one or two ways. You can do that digitally, or you're more than welcome to have them printed and you can sell them that way. In my guide, I will go over each and every last one of these ideas that I am discussing with you today, and you will be able to go step by step and learn how you too can start your very own lucrative business before the holiday season is over. Time is of the essence, sweetheart. Again, this is already September, and I will be doing the live giveaway here very soon, probably in the next 2 weeks or so, just so that I can give enough people time to enter into the drawing. All of the details for how you can be entered will be inside of this video at the end, okay? So make sure you watch it all the way to the end, so there will be no surprises if your name is called, okay? I don't want anybody calling me a scam or anybody saying that this and that didn't work. No, you didn't watch the video. Watch the video all the way through so that you can have the full details on exactly how this giveaway will work. Please note that this giveaway is going to be a little different than the other giveaways that I've done, because I've learned along the way, okay? I'm tired of people taking advantage of me, taking my kindness for a weakness, okay? When I'm really out here trying to be generous and really help people. And I will do the drawing live, of course, so you will be able to see exactly who won. And I wish everybody the absolute best. And of course, if you have any questions or concerns in the meantime, in between time, then you already know you can reach out via email, or you're more than welcome to drop your question down below. Let's get this money, boo, because it's waiting. I'm getting mine. I'm just trying to help you get yours, okay? That's more than enough out there for us all. I mean, I can't get it all, right? So, and I mean, I'm not trying to. Of course, as you know, I always want us all to win. So, another huge thanks goes out to Zone Market. Zone Market, you guys are beyond amazing and so awesome for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, love.